Tax season is here, and let's be honest, filing taxes can feel like a nightmare. With all the confusing forms, deadlines, and hidden fees, it's easy to get overwhelmed. But what if I told you there are completely free ways to file your taxes, legally and without stress? Yes, you heard that right. In this video, I'll walk you through 6 incredibly easy ways to file your taxes for free. No more worrying about expensive tax software or hiring an accountant. Whether you're a freelancer, an employee, or even a small business owner, you'll find an option that works for you. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to file your taxes quickly, easily, and most importantly, without spending a dime. First on our list is the IRS Free File program, a powerful and completely free option for millions of Americans. This program is backed by the IRS itself, partnering with well-known tax software companies to offer free guided tax preparation and filing. If your adjusted gross income is $84,000 or less, you qualify for this service. The best part? It's user-friendly and does the hard work for you. It walks you through your tax return step by step, making sure you claim every deduction and credit you qualify for. But here's the catch. Most people don't even know this exists. That's because many tax software companies bury the free version under paid plans. To access it, go directly to the IRS Free File page on the official IRS website and choose a provider that fits your needs. This service is ideal for W-2 employees, gig workers, and even some small business owners who meet the income criteria. The earlier you file, the better, so take advantage of this free resource while you can. This is a new game changer. The IRS Direct File is a completely free option that allows eligible taxpayers to file directly with the IRS online. No third-party tax software, no hidden fees. It's simple, straightforward, and designed for people who want to take control of their own tax filing. Here's how it works. If you live in one of the 25 participating states and have a relatively simple tax situation, you can log into the IRS Direct File platform and enter your income, deductions, and credits yourself. The system will calculate your taxes and submit them directly to the IRS. The major benefit? It eliminates the middleman, reducing errors and ensuring you don't accidentally opt into costly upgrades. Plus, if you expect a refund, filing directly means you'll get it faster. This option is perfect for people with straightforward tax situations. Think single filers, standard deduction users, and those with W-2 income. If you're looking for a hassle-free, no-cost solution, IRS Direct File is the way to go. Many popular tax software providers offer free filing options, but there's a trick to using them correctly. Companies like TurboTax, H&R Block, and Tax-Aide all advertise free tax filing, but there's a catch. These free versions often have restrictions. Most free versions support only simple tax returns, meaning if you have self-employment income, investment earnings, or rental properties, you may be forced to upgrade to a paid plan. However, if you're a W-2 employee with no complex deductions, these free plans can work perfectly for you. A pro tip: always start with the free version. Enter your information, and see if you really need an upgrade. Sometimes these companies try to upsell, but if your tax situation is simple, you can avoid paying anything at all. Another thing to look out for is the IRS Free File partnership, which offers even better free software options than the basic free versions. Just make sure to access it through the IRS website to avoid unnecessary costs. These two programs provide completely free, in-person tax preparation services for eligible individuals. The VITA program is designed for people who earn $60,000 or less, individuals with disabilities, and taxpayers with limited English proficiency. The TCE program, on the other hand, focuses on helping seniors, especially those aged 60 and older, by providing tax assistance tailored to retirement-related issues. Here's why this is such a great option. You'll get IRS-certified volunteers preparing your taxes for free. You can have someone walk you through the process and answer your questions. It's ideal if you prefer face-to-face help instead of online software. To find a VITA or TCE site near you, visit the IRS website and use the locator tool. Make sure to book your appointment early, as slots fill up fast during tax season. If you're comfortable doing your own taxes, free file. Fillable Forms is another free option. Unlike the guided tax software options, this service is simply an online version of the paper tax forms. It does the math for you, but it won't give you guidance or tax advice, so you need to know what you're doing. Who is this best for? People with experience filing their own taxes, those with higher incomes who don't qualify for IRS free file, anyone looking for a bare bones but completely free filing option. If you're confident in your tax knowledge, this is one of the best ways to file without paying anything. Last but not least, we have the AARP Tax-Aide program. This is another fantastic free tax preparation service specifically designed for individuals aged 50 and older or those with moderate to low income. What makes this different? You don't need to be an AARP member to use it. They provide assistance for both federal and state taxes. The service is available online or in person, depending on your location. Trained volunteers will help you prepare and file your taxes, making sure you take advantage of any deductions you qualify for. To find a Tax-Aide site near you, visit the AARP website. Taxes are always changing, and the Trump administration has introduced several new tax policy proposals that could impact you. Some of the key proposed changes include eliminating taxes on tips, overtime, and Social Security benefits, which could mean lower taxes for workers and retirees. Allowing an itemized deduction for auto loan interest, which would help car owners save money on their tax bill. Lowering the corporate tax rate to 15% for domestic production, aimed at encouraging businesses to manufacture goods in the U.S. These policies could have a major impact on future tax filings, so it's important to stay updated. Check official IRS resources or consult with a tax professional for the latest developments. Filing your taxes doesn't have to be stressful or expensive. With these 6 free options, you can choose the method that works best for you and keep more of your hard-earned money. Make sure to file early to avoid delays, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Happy filing!